So this is my 81 Corvette. It's really loud, but I'm not gonna do mufflers, sleeping mufflers. Because nobody don't know what they are. They're just little mufflers, and we're gonna insert them in, and we'll check it out. We all know how loud these things are. This is not the gas pack. This is just mufflers, any regular muffler. I bought them in eBay. So we'll check it out. I'm stocking it. So the little bigger part goes down there, slides right in, just like that. It's a lot heavier now. We're gonna try now. Just wanna mention, if you do this job, I'm gonna put this on, but when you do this job, you gotta take the whole screw, the one that screws there, and clamp to that. You need to take the whole screw and use one of these babies and tap it so it open up, and use the blaster. I'm about to put this baby on. This is the other side. We'll see how it's gonna sound. Sounds a lot better. The sound cut off like 60%. Then it's badass. I like it. You can hear the cam.